Welcome to this class. ଆଜି ଆମେ ପଢ଼ିବା ଦ ସରସ୍ୱତୀ ଇଂଲିଶ ରିଡର କ୍ଲାସ୍ 3 ପାର୍ଟ 1 ର ଲେସନ୍ 11. The lesson is simple progressive. Today's period is period 77. Activity 13. The teacher will recite the rhyme the kite and the students will recite accordingly. ଶିକ୍ଷକ ଦ କାଇଟ୍ ରାଇମ୍ଟିକୁ ସୁନ୍ଦର ଭାବରେ ଗାନ କରିବେ ଏବଂ ପିଲାମାନେ ତାଙ୍କ ସହିତ ସେହିଭଳି ସୁନ୍ଦର ଭାବରେ ଗାନ କରିବେ। ଦ କାଇଟ୍, ଓ ଲୁକ୍ ଆଟ୍ ମାଇ କାଇଟ୍, almost out of sight. How pretty it flies right up to the skies. Pretty kite, almost out of sight. Pray, what do you spy in the bright blue sky? ପିଲାମାନେ ଏହି କବିତାଟିକୁ ସୁନ୍ଦର ଭାବରେ ଗାନ କରିବେ। Activity 14. Translate into English. ସେମାନେ ଫୁଟବଲ ଖେଳୁଛନ୍ତି। They are playing football. ରମେଶ ଖବରକାଗଜ ପଢ଼ୁଛି କି? Is ରମେଶ reading a newspaper? ସେମାନେ କ'ଣ କରୁଛନ୍ତି? What are they doing? ପକ୍ଷୀମାନେ ବସିଛନ୍ତି କି? Are the birds sitting? କୁକୁର ଗୁଡ଼ିକ ଭୁକୁଛନ୍ତି। Are the dogs barking? Activity 15. Make questions to get these answers. ଉତ୍ତର ପାଇବା ପାଇଁ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ତିଆରି କର। I am reading my book. Answer. What are you doing? The boy is playing. The question is, what is the boy doing? Ramo is singing. The question is, what is Ramo doing? Raju and Biju are going to school. Question is, where are Raju and Biju going to? Sarada is sweeping her room. Answer is, what is Sarada doing? Now period 78, 79 and 80. These periods are for revision. Thank you. ଯଦି ଭିଡ଼ିଓଟି ଭଲ ଲାଗିଥିବ ଲାଇକ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ସେୟାର ଦ ଭିଡ଼ିଓ and subscribe our channel Sri Ganesh Tutorial for more videos. Thank you again.